Hey, what's going on everyone? I'm Exit Strategy. So today was the day that the Tesla mobile service technician came to my house to replace the yoke on my 2021 Tesla Model S from this to this. And yes, my Model S had a peeling yoke issue, which I know a lot of people have. And Tesla did just come out with the brand new version of the yoke with the different materials that's supposedly more resistant to peeling. And the center horn now works. No more button. But anyways, this was my experience. In the morning at 7:30, they messaged me through the app. I was barely awake, saying that they would arrive around sometime between 8 and 9 a.m., which they did, and hear how it went. It's about 9:15 right now, and they called around 9 o'clock, and they are here. There it is. No peeling yet. Well, first touch, it feels kind of the same, but a little bit softer. I think the texture is a bit different, and it's replaced by that camera button, and the horn now works. But anyways, let's go to a better lighting condition, and we'll come back to this. The new yoke looks almost exactly the same as the old one, with a few differences. One being the surface is now different. The feel is a little bit softer, feels more like real leather, definitely more luxurious to the touch, just feels nice. There's now stitching on the inner loop, as well as the outer edge of the yoke there. As you can see, there's still that worm there on the airbag. There's a new one that's still there. I think it's for, functional purposes. The second difference is the horn button is now gone. It's been replaced by the camera button. When you press on it, it brings up the camera menu. The same as if you were to press on that icon, that little camera icon. There. Press there, it comes up. Press there, it goes down. The other difference, which I think is the biggest one, is the horn. Now, since the button disappears, the center airbag button is now the horn, just like any other vehicle. And it should have been this way since the beginning. I could get used to the turn signal on the wheel and actually like it, but the horn button was a bad idea. It took a while to get used to, and even then, in case of emergency, sometimes that split second that your intuition would just be press the middle airbag. It takes a few more milliseconds, I guess, to realize and press the button instead. And sometime in an accident or emergency situation, that is dangerous. And now it's been replaced, and you can just press that and then it beeps. So that's that. Everything else is the same. The button, like the turn signal button, and all the buttons on here are still touch sensitive, but you do have to press down just like the old yoke. It is not physical buttons like the Model 3 Highland, so these are still touch sensitive, but yeah, you can, you have to press on it to activate. So, what do you think of the new yoke? I like it a lot better than the old one, and I personally think that it should have been like this since the beginning. But still, kudos to Tesla for listening and actually improved upon the product and released a new version and replacing it under warranty. So if you have a early refresh Model S, 21, 22, 23, with the old yoke and you're experiencing peeling of the yoke, you should just be able to schedule an appointment through the Tesla app, stating your concern, send a picture, attach a picture of the peeling yoke, and they should schedule a mobile service coming out to your vehicle if you're in the area. But if not, I'm sure you can bring it to service center. Now, your situation might be different, but for my experience, it was flawless. I attached the picture, it stated that the yoke was peeling. It was confirmed, and they scheduled the mobile service. Came out in a couple of days. No question asked, $0 invoice, and that was that. Brand new yoke. Anyways, I hope this video is useful. I know I was looking online and I couldn't find a video of the new yoke, so I wanted to make one and show you guys how my experience of replacing it in the warranty was. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.